In a previous project, I showed how to use recycled aluminum to cast useful parts using lost PLA casting. Since then, I played the game Among Us. I wonder if I can use this aluminum casting process to create an aluminum crewmate. Are you ready to watch me fail repeatedly? Because this is 10 tries. I printed an Among Us character from Thingiverse and attached it to the sprue with some hot glue. Then, I followed my process from try 10 of my Lost PLA casting project with one modification. I added some fiberglass cut to about 1/4 inch lengths to the dry portion of the investment plaster mix. This should add a little bit of strength. As usual, I grabbed a couple ingots of recycled pop cans to melt down. After carefully inspecting the wreckage, it looks like the cavities in the plaster formed perfectly. There was one big problem though. The plastic didn't fully burn out of the plaster. If you saw my previous video, you know that I use graphite to indicate if the burnout worked properly. If there's graphite at the end, the burnout failed. The gray color of the plaster should have let me know that the burnout wasn't complete. I ignored this, and some remaining plastic boiled on contact with the molten aluminum. This broke the bottom of the plaster, and allowed the aluminum to spill out of the bottom. I realized that there was charcoal remaining in the furnace from the last pour. This must have been the case for try 1 as well. I used a few lumps of charcoal to remove the oxygen at higher temperatures. This is great for protecting my heating element and aluminum from oxidation, but prevents plastic from burning completely if used too early in the process. This time, I was sure to remove the remaining charcoal before beginning the burnout. Gotta cut away the tape here. Don't screw it up. Don't screw it up. Look at that. That looks like an Among Us Crewmate, doesn't it? Wow. I'm amazed at how great the polished visor looks with the red suit. This came out so well. What should I cast next? Let me know in the comments below.